How do you create a YouTube channel without much spare time? Coming this summer in 2019, I will be making series showing channel setup, making playlists and publishing videos for your YouTube channel to help you and your community. Now, I won't take any more of your time, so here's a snippet of what's to come in my 10 to 15 minute videos. Add cards to promote your videos. Most people go straight into making their own YouTube videos. I'd recommend starting with your channel, then playlists, and then finally your videos. For tips and advice to help you share into your community, watch out for the full videos coming soon. Subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to receive our latest videos.